We're all packed up for our first little road trip. He looks like my navigator. A little addition to the van is it's got mountains on it and, well, trees. As far as seeing in, you'd have to look really, really hard. Take some nighttime shots. Very, very windy on this first day of spring, but I wanted to show you a few things. One thing I don't have on yet, because I just ordered them, I just ordered some WeatherTech window cover things. I'm plugged in. Never camp alone. I'm all set up. This is the first journey out with this new van, and it's the one where I learn what should or shouldn't be here. Obviously, I should have put the screen on because now I've got to fly. I showed this to you on a previous video. This is not made for the back hatch, but I'm using it there because, well, I want to. And it fits from inside. That's what you see. There's his cushy bed. I replaced the black curtain with my tartan. For whatever reason, the bathrooms are unavailable. I carry one of these. It's the bathroom. What is that in the bottom? I have a little box labeled bathroom. And in that box, there is poo powder. I keep Huggies in there. And these are laundry pods. For whatever reason, like somebody's sleeping on my pillow, I can do the laundry. This folds flat and fits in this little thin bag. That's it. It folds up into a cassette.